I need to travel now. I'm traveling. Right here on the corner of Brighton Beach Avenue and Ocean Parkway. Today is Saturday, December 16th, 2023 at 12:47 in the PM. And let's get moving. I'm using 8K on the phone option. Let's see how this gonna look. Let's see. Should I go up on the boardwalk? Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. I'm gonna go like against reality. Let's do it. Damn. I'm gonna get cut off right here. Hello? Hello? Okay. Somebody keep calling me. Okay, so let me see. I'm gonna go this way. If they call again, then I'm gonna do it. Other than that. So let's go up on the boardwalk, okay? Let's see if it have an area here I can go up on the boardwalk. Let's see. Is there a narrow frame of view using this cell phone? I'm going around in a circle here. I'm not able to concentrate. $8K on the cell phone. Let's see how it's gonna look. This is Galaxy 22, I think, right? Or 21. Anyway, let's just go. Let's see if this is gonna go. If not, sorry. I haven't used this section. I've come up this ramp, I don't think so. Close to the same thing, but you know. A lot of people out here because it's sunny today, and tomorrow it's gonna rain. So I guess people going to try to get as much as they can get out of today. That's my assumption. Still have a ton of sun on the boardwalk. They haven't taken that off the boardwalk. which is kind of surprising. They just like leaving it. Bicycle lanes, they ain't clean the bicycle lanes. Coney Island boardwalk, or Brighton Beach section. Just want to make sure I ain't gonna stick. So like that section is over. Coney Island boardwalk in 8K. Cell phone video. Damn, somebody's selling. People over here. Yeah, so the thing is, right, when you come out here, depends on the timing, where you have music playing all over the place. Sometimes people playing on the side, sometimes the business playing music. Um, and I kind of mentioned it in some previous See What I See videos where I say, like, it had tons of sun that come up on the boardwalk a couple weeks ago, and surprisingly, they ain't doing nothing to take it off. Like, they just leaving it for it to work its way off. That's kind of strange to me. But I guess it is what it is. Let me use the side way a lot of people are probably using. I'm going to use speed to try to keep moving. Speed is kind of a trick to move through the sun. So down here, it always have Puerto Rican music playing, lower down. Yeah, Puerto Rican group does hang out down here. They always representing. So okay, that was just See What I See. I say I'm going to let you see the parachute jump, so you know I was here. I'll be back. Coney Island Boardwalk in 8K. Brooklyn. This is the concrete section, but the wooded section that I was driving on most of the time. Look at it. Wood. I'll be back. I need to travel now. Whenever I need to travel, you might see what I see, hear what I hear. I needed to travel to Coney Island Boardwalk in 8K cell phone video. I need to travel now. Subscribe. Adios. Goodbye. Tutanana. Ad for the vista. Bye. Subscribe. I need to travel now. Yeah, I did. I just did.